Hello boys and girls. For this video we're going to begin by reviewing our sight word for this week. Do you know what this word is? I just used it in a sentence. You. Everyone say the word with me. Ready? You. Everyone write or spell it with me. Ready? Y-O-U. Again, spell it with me. Y-O-U. Now we're going to write it in the air. Ready? Y-O-U. Good job, boys and girls. You and I can play together. That is a way we can use you in a sentence. Let's look at this one. Do you remember what this word is from last week? It's go. Everyone say it with me. Go. Let's spell it. Ready? G-O. Go. Now we're going to write it in the air. Ready? G-O. Go. Can I go with you? That's a really good way to use go. Okay, now we're going to do some sentences with our words. Okay, let's look at these sentences here. We have this one in blue we're going to read first. What's this word? Can you go? And I'm going to scoot it down so the light isn't shining on it. Do you remember what this is? This is a question mark. A question mark ends questions. Let's read this. Ready? Can you go? Now remember, we change our voice when we're asking questions. We don't say questions and sentences in the same tone of voice. I don't say, can you go? I say, can you go? We change our voice a little bit. So can you read it like you would be asking it to someone? Can you go? Good job. Let's look at the one in red. You and I can go. Read that out loud with me. Ready? Nice and loud. You and I can go. Good job. One more time. You and I can go. Let's look at this one down here in purple. Let's figure out what this word is. We had it the other day in our shared read, but we might have forgotten it. The T makes the T sound, the O makes the R, and the M makes the M. Arm. Tom. Tom is the word. This one right here. And all of the other words are our sight words. Ready? You and I can see Tom. Can you read that out loud, nice and loud with me? You and I can see Tom. I'm going to pause the video and erase this and write another one. I'll be right back. Here's the last sentence. Can you help me read it? There's a couple of words we have to sound out. This one, what does the N say? The N says N. The A says A. And the P says P. So let's blend it. Nap. Nap is the word. Nap. Now let's look at this one. The M says M. The A says A. And the T says T. Can you blend that word? Try it. See if you could beat me. Mat. Mat is the word. Let's read the sentence. Can you nap on the mat? And notice I read it like I was asking a question because there was a question mark at the end. Try it again. Ready? Nice and loud. Read it with me. Can you nap on the mat? Good job, class. We're going to go ahead and we're going to do our little sight word book now. We're going to read it. So it is right here. And I'm going to focus my camera in. Maybe it'll make it a little bit clearer for us. Okay, here we go. Here's our sight word. I'm going to read it first, and you need to follow along in your book, and then you can read it with me, okay? What is this a picture of? Right here. What are they using in the garden? They are using a rake. So this word is rake. What were they doing with the shovel here? They were digging. So this word is going to be dig when we get to it. What is coming out of the can? Water. This word is water. And then what did he do with this carrot? He grabbed hold of it when he was in the ground and he gave it a pull. This word is pull. Okay, let's read this. You follow along as I read it. Ready? You and I. You and I can rake. You and I can dig. You and I can water. You and I can pull. Okay, are you ready to read it with me? Nice and loud. You and I. You and I can rake. You and I can dig. You and I can water. You and I can pull. One more time, nice and loud reading. Ready? You and I. You and I can rake. You and I can dig. You and I can water. You and I can pull. Very good, boys and girls. I'm going to put an assignment on Schoology, and I want you to take a video of you reading this to me because I love to see you reading this book to me. Thank you for doing this video with me and have a great day.